Hi everyone! So today we're doing a really fun video. I was able to get a desk from my lovely friend as a birthday present, and so now I'm gonna go buy a chair with it. So let's go take a look on Wayfair, since I think that's a relatively inexpensive website, and see what kind of chair we can get, and let's see the chair matches the picture as well. So guys, let's take a look. So when looking for chairs, there are a lot of things that people like. For office chairs, they usually want something that's adjustable. But for me, I'm just gonna look for a more stylish and cute modern chair. So I'm looking for a chair that does not swivel or have wheels. And then I think one of my most important criteria for today is the seat height in comparison to my desk height. Let's get started, guys. So I'm at wayfair.com right now. The dining chair options, side chair options as well. This one looks nice. Let's take a look at the chairs I chosen. Another factor that I'm really looking for is, does the chair have arms? I think that's really nice for comfort. So this one does not. I thought about this one, especially because it's a little bit inexpensive for a set of 2 chairs, but the only thing is there's like a hole where your back is. I think that might be like uncomfortable. So I think I'm just gonna get rid of this chair as well. This one is nice as well. So in the end, guys, I chose this chair, the Kenmore 23.6 inch, and I'm choosing in the fabric color of Ocean. So let's add this to our cart. Okay everyone, I placed my order on November 30th for the Kenmore 18.1 armchair by Braden Studio, and it is in the color turquoise/ocean, and then it got delivered 16 days later. Today my package arrived, so let's take a look at it together. These are the instruction manuals. Looks simple. I think I can do this. Let's see, guys. Okay everyone, after maybe like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I finally finished building the chair. So let's take a look at it. Let's take a look. Let's talk about my thoughts on it. I mean, honestly, looking at the photo again, let me go take a look at the photo. It does not, I guess it does look pretty similar to the picture. It's just the picture looked a little bit more bright and kind of just more vibrant and saturated. But I don't know, a lot of the reviews were saying like maybe the chair's not super comfortable. Let me see what else has people been saying. I don't really think it's that stiff. People have said it's pretty stiff. The cushion feels pretty nice actually. I mean, I think the build of the chair overall is like maybe a little bit stiff, but I think it's a really cute design. Others have said it may be a little bit too small. I mean, I purposely chose it because it was smaller than normal since my room's only about 99 square feet. But overall, I think this was a great buy. Yeah, I would recommend this product. I don't know what the other colors are like. They have one, this one's considered Ocean. They have one in gray, blush, and yellow. The blush looks really neon in the photos, so I'm not sure if it's actually like that. Because this one looked really bright as well, but it's not as bright as the photos.